What's up, guys? And today we're playing this game called Don't Press the Button. What just happened to me? And I'm here with my friend. And I'm here with my friend Roman today.
Tables. How do you?
Can you say hello to the? Can you say hello to YT? What? Okay, he's a bit glitchy, but he's right here. This is him right here.
Also,
Playing our Kawaii Boss. What is?
thing in the background.
Yeah, he's in the background.
There's also
Say hi. Whoa.
No.
Roman. Wait, what? Why am I so small?
Yeah?
I'm
no.
small.
Bruh.
Whoa.
I got the power.
Ooh. It glitched. Oh, come on.
I'm professional.
No, I want to get out of here. No. Oh. My friend is also here.
Last person alive.
Oh. What's up?
Guess what? Everybody gets free Robux. I'm just kidding.
Woo! Free Robux, free Robux, free Robux, free Robux, free Robux, free Robux, free Robux.
But guys, watch out.
I'm gonna say I'm wrecked to my friend. It's the skeleton, that guy, the person who's talking to me right now. That's my friend. I want to press the button. I want. What? Lava is rise.
Where do I go?
Where do I? Yeah, where do I go either? Do I go? No. Asia, say hi to YouTube. Asia, say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube, Asia.
Also, guys, meat moves.
What?
Yeah.
Get noobed. Caw. That's what we always say.
Yeah, howdy.
You always say howdy do. What the? Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Do I have to fight things or something? What are we doing?
Stop.
Oh.
Look, I'm giving out. I'm giving
I got
out
someone.
some money.
No.
Right? You can't hurt.
Stop! Oh god.
You can't hurt me. I'm giving out this. Man.
Robux.
No.
Thank you.
Take those.
Okay. You're spitting out Robux.
No.
I just got. Come on, I didn't even get to press the button. Oh, an extinguisher is going to explode. Oh no.
How do I not have it?
What? What does that mean?
No.
Are you kidding me right now? How much is the gravity coil?
No. Stop.
Where am I even going? Oh, there we go. Okay.
Not again, you.
Come on! I want to get Asia. Yes, I got her. Ah! Yay.
No. Stop.
Ooh.
No.
I'm wrecked. This is also my friend right here. We're falling.
Go in.
We have to go in?
big head.
Ooh, I have a
You're
big
tiny.
head.
And now, like, hold on. Now you are all little kids.
I am a little kid. So why are you?
I'm going for the green. I'm going for the green.
No.
Yeah! I think blue, like, never stops. I think blue's, like, this. Something like this. No! No. Oh, no. No. Get to the corner.
Why can't I get out of this thing? I just want to break free. I want to break free. I want to break free. I want to break. Yeah.
Avatar I am.
What?
Tell them which avatar I am.
What the heck? Baldy just oofed me. Why does Baldy keep on oofing me? He's so mean. What?
And
No. Okay, he just exploded.
oh no, Pokemon music is nothing.
What?
Yes.
Oh!
There. Something. What? Oh no. Oh wait, bomb. Where's the bomb?
I don't know. Oh, here it is. No. Dude, get away from it. Get away from it. Okay, there we go.
Boy. Quick. Oh no, not this dude.
The sound's all the way up.
Okay,
there we go.
Azrin, the avocado. Yeah, boy.
I don't think this is really loud, but whatever. What the? I think we're supposed to go in. What? What is this?
You guys are being pushed away. I could legit come back. You are all being pushed away.
Yeah.
Well, I can just run.
I can just run back.
Well.
It's the simplest thing. It's the most simplest thing, everybody.
Also, guys, wait, okay, you all fall. It didn't work. Uh-oh.
Oh no. Okay, get away.
Go. What are you doing, Moondot? Yeah. What are you doing? Okay, good.
Okay, whatever.
Oh, jump on there. Don't trust it.
No.
That's
You
a lot
really
of
had to
damage.
trust it, this guy in the golden suit. Yeah? What is it?
Avatar is.
It's right here.
The one with the miniature on the shoulder, the rainbow bandana, and it looks a lot like Creepcraft. Okay, dodge your lasers.
Yeah, it looks a lot like Creed.
Boy. Press the button. On it. Hey guys, go on it.
No, I'm not gonna. Oh, okay, whatever. What the?
No.
Oh no. It's one of these again.
Keep on running.
Keep on running, everybody. Keep on running. Wait, did you fall? Did you fall? No, 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 no. Don't you dare!
Move dots.
Wah. Wah, wah, wah.
Also, for the people in here are getting some Rebex.
Okay. I might end it in like 18 seconds.
Yoink.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.